Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, January 21st, and this is Southeast Bully Kennels. What we have for you here today is a female pocket bully. She's going to be short and compact bully, right around about 13 inches full grown. She is compact in length, meaning she's not going to have one of them long backs. She's going to have real short and compact back. Nice, beautiful girl, too. She is champagne in color with a red nose. She will have green eyes. Set her back, please. You can see her eyes there. They're starting to get their color. It should be this week. She is turning 5 weeks old tomorrow. Already displaying that perfect structure. She does have a perfect bite as well. Please show her bite. Nice clean bite. There you go. See that there? Come here, baby. Perfect movement. Perfect structure. Good girl. She is currently on soft dog food, and she is still with the mother. Next week will be her first time outside. She has been dewormed twice already. She will be getting her first parvo vaccination next weekend. Beautiful girl. Pretty girl. Pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. She is currently available. She is off of Buffy the Body and Fresh Prince. For more information, call or text us or email us and let us know your thoughts. Pretty girl. All right. Let me know your thoughts.